Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be drawing Addison Rae. So in today's video I won't be doing any tracings, but I started off by just making some few lines just to guide me on my way while drawing everything. Like for example, around the eyes, I drew an oval. I just drew lines to indicate where everything has to be in place, and just a basic guideline to help me out while I am actually drawing. So as you guys can see, I went in and changed the opacity of these guidelines and started drawing over them. So this is just like basically a simple sketch just to guide me through while I'm actually drawing and shading. I legit suck at drawing fingers, so I'm sorry if I had to trace it there, but like everything else is just like pure. Actually finding the skin tone color wasn't really easy because some colors were too off and too bright. So basically I just tried my best matching the skin tone, and the brushes that I used will be down in the description. So I used the same brush for the smudging and for the painting. The whole point of this is actually adding the shading in the parts where the shadow is visible. So basically you add in the colors that represent a shadow on your painting, and then you start smudging it in. So basically I wanted this to be a drawing without any outline. Now I was coloring in Addison's jumpsuit, and I started drawing in the lashes and the eyeliner and adding the makeup, of course. So basically I decided to add like some some sort of texture under the eyes. I think it kind of made the drawing pop out and make it more realistic. Moving on to the lips, and I added in the shading and adding some darker parts and adding on the highlights. Now for the hair, I wanted to mark each and every single spot because there are like some parts of Addison's hair that were kind of like yellow and then brown and black. I just wanted everything to be in its place. Then I went ahead and used the flowing brush again. The link will be in the description. And basically, I just try to follow along the flow of the hair, and then I created a new layer, adding in all of these highlights. Going to add the eyebrows, but just like a disclaimer about the hair, I really didn't do much detail to the hair. I just tried my best adding in the highlights because I really found it quite a hard technique to master, so I just left it like quite simple. For the gloves, I actually brought the photo and retraced the lighting points on the glove. Since this was leather, it was quite my first time to actually color in leather. It wasn't bad, but maybe with more practice I could do better. The key here with this effect, you don't want to make leather seem like it's flat. You want to make it feel like realistic in a way, or that it's actually a flexible material, if you guys get what I mean. So yeah. And for the jewelry, I just copied and pasted it because I was too tired and I didn't know how to draw something that shiny. I'm sorry for that. So next up, I was just filling in the lines in the hair, adding on the detail on Addison's jumpsuit, and basically adding in the shading in the ears because for some reason I just always keep that left out. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you all so much for the support. Make sure to subscribe with notification bells on so you don't miss any of my uploads, and watch my last video up there, and see you in my next one. Bye.